Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna be going over the crop tool, which is spelled C-R-O-P tool, so crop tool. I have this imager. It's called Adobe Stock Pixel Art Style Wizard Set. You'll also see it on the W drive. I'm just gonna throw it in there so you should be able to see it. So this is an assignment, so please make sure to do it. After you're done completing it, you'll be saving this exercise as PSD files and also as PNG files. The PSD files, you'll put them onto the W drive, and the PNG files, you'll also put into the W drive and onto Sync Sketch. So I'm just gonna start here. I'm gonna press C as in Charlie, and that automatically goes to this tool, but you want to use the crop tool, the first one. You just left click and you hold the left click in that one. You'll see at the corners these interesting little markers. So I want to just have just the wizard. I'm going to grab from this end and just pull, and I'm going to pull. Hey, what is this? That was weird. What was that thing down there? Whatever. Okay, so I select it. I select it like that. What I just did previously was I just unlocked it. Anyway, so I have the crop tool. You can see it like this. It looks like a grid system. I'm gonna grab from here. Then I'm gonna grab from here. I'm gonna pull down. I'm gonna pull up. So you wanna crop it about like this tight, and then you should be good. So after you do this, you press enter, and then you'll notice that the crop tool is still live. So I'm gonna press V as in Victor to get out of the crop tool. And there you have it. I'm gonna save this file. Control Shift S. So that's save as. Control Shift S. And then I'm gonna just save it as wizard only. And then save. And then OK. So that's how you can crop the image. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is save it as a PNG. Control Alt S. And down here, I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna save it as a PNG. I'm gonna delete the word copy. So now it's a PNG. Save. Okay. So you save the PNG file to your Sync Sketch. So I just did that. I also want to do this where you do Control Z to undo it, and then we're gonna press C as in Charlie again. There's your crop tool. I'm gonna grab it from here. I'm gonna grab it from here. I'm gonna grab from the bottom. Grab it from the top. Press enter. Press V as in Victor to get out of the crop tool. Then I'm gonna save it. Control Shift S. And I'm gonna just save it as wizard's staff. And then I'm gonna save it as a PSD. And then I'm gonna save it. Okay. And then I'm gonna save it. Then I'm gonna do Control Alt S. Save a copy. Again, that is Control Alt S. Down here, I'm gonna click on PNG, and I'm gonna get rid of the word copy. It's a PNG. Just checking that it's for the staff. Just checking that's for the staff. What the hell's going on? Anyway, so wizard staff, hit save. Okay, Then I'm going to do Control Z again to get out of it. And then I'm going to press C as in Charlie again. I'm going to yank this like this. I'm going to yank it like this. And I'm going to yank it up like that. And I'm going to yank it down. And then press Enter. Press V as in Victor to get out of the tool. And then I'm going to Control Shift S as in Sam. So that's saved as Control Shift S. Save it as Wizard's Hat. And this will be saved as a PSD. Save. Okay. Then I'm going to do Control Alt S. Repeat Control Alt S. That's a save a copy. I'm gonna delete the word copy. I'm just gonna click outside here. I'm gonna click in here now. Save it as a PNG. Save. So as you can see, I saved it as PNGs, the wizard only, wizard staff, and this is gonna be wizard's hat. And they're all PNGs. So you're gonna dump the PNGs into your Sync Sketch section. PNG. And then, also save the PSDs to your folder on the W drive. If you do not, if you're having a hard time accessing Citrix, then just do it afterwards. But for sure, put the PNGs that's cropped into your Sync Sketch. Alright, that's it. Bye.